Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your devoted OTC account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.devoted.com/otc/ and press enter on your keyboard. After press enter on your keyboard, this is our official web page and click on this login button in the upper right corner of the site. Type in your member ID and your birth date into the login area. After filling all of your details, click on this verify button over here and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.